Hello everyone, welcome to the course on Applied Analytical Chemistry. I am Dr. Subhash Ispati. I am working as the Assistant Professor in Department of Chemistry, School of Applied Sciences, Centurion University of Technology and Management, Odisha. My research interests include membrane separation, hydrogen energy, and CO2 capture. I have been teaching chemistry to undergraduate and PG students from last 4 years. I will be the instructor for this applied analytical chemistry for this session. This applied analytical chemistry will be in English medium. The course objective is after taking the course, the student will be able to explain the fundamental principle of analytical chemistry, define what are different energy sources, petrochemicals, explain the errors involved in the chemical analysis, describe the methods to minimize the errors. After taking the course, the student will be able to perform analysis of soil, water, and fuels, perform water softening processes, conduct fractional distillation to separate the petroleum product, elaborate the petroleum cracking process, visualize the soil horizon and its components, design solar panel and can calculate the energy produced from the solar panels, explain the process for effective use of waste materials for hydrogen production or for energy production. So the course targets the audience like BSc students and BTech students. For taking the course, the student must have a basic chemistry knowledge of elementary, high school or 10 plus 2 standard elementary chemistry knowledge is required for this course. The course is a 3 credit course, 2 for theory and 1 for practical. The outline of the course, it is divided into 7 modules which will be covered in 20 hours. So first module will be water analysis or water chemistry. Second is soil analysis. Third module is based on fuel chemistry. Fourth module is petrochemical or petroleum chemistry. And then next module, fifth module is corrosion and its prevention. Next sixth module is electrochemical phenomena. And seventh module is errors in chemical analysis. So in all these modules we'll be explaining you the basic of analytical chemistry tools required for water analysis, soil analysis, fuel analysis and petrochemical analysis, and how this corrosion affects the basic structure and how to prevent this corrosion. And in this electrochemical phenomena we'll be teaching you the basic electrochemistry part and how the small electrochemical components can be used to construct the reference electrodes that can be used for measurement of the pH and for EMF or potential of the different ions or solution. So this next unit, that is errors in chemical analysis, is involved what are the errors arising during the chemical analysis process and how to minimize the errors that arise in the chemical analysis. So assessment plan, the assessment plan will be 20% assignment, 20% presentation, 10% quiz and 50% of the final exams. Then for getting a certificate, you have to have a minimum 60% score in overall all these assignment, presentation and final exam. However, among all, you need to have a 50% score in the final theory exam. Thank you all. Thank you. Looking for your active participation in this applied analytical course. Thank you.